you are Hafiz, if you are Muslim, if you are Qari, it is your responsibility not to eat. We not come here to earn the money and eat the food. We are Muslim, we should give the Quran dawat to every individual in the world. Why not? Yes? You are Hafiz, it is your responsibility. Only Hafiz and only reciting in the Quran in Taraweeh, that's all? No. What is the intention of Hafiz? Become a Hafiz. If you are a Muslim, you have responsibility to each and every individual. You should spread the Islam. You should give the preach of Islam. You should give the Quran to everyone. You're not only just doing the Hifziyat and Arabiyat and Alimiyat. Please understand, my dear youth, you are the youngsters. You are you are the pleasure of our society. You are the wealth of our society. You are youngsters of our community. It is your responsibility.